Hey, luck is a luck.
Hey guys, it's Midnight Philosopher and I'm here with a multi-lock classic Camlock that I'll be picking for my entry to Feralshooter's 100 subscriber giveaway. Feral has been one of the guys who's helped me since pretty much the very beginning of my locksport journey, as well as many other people, so a huge thank you for all the support and advice that you've given me along the way, and also a huge congrats for reaching 100 subs. I'll be passing forward my entry to Pocket Woman, who again is a very helpful member of the locksport community, especially for newer pickers, and I figured that she deserves it. As per the rules of the contest, we have to have our thumbs taped up, as you can see. I left the tip of this thumb exposed so that way you can see it while I'm picking because of the awkward grip and angle, everything. It leaves it available for you to see. So, I have to figure out a unique way to hold this pick, and I think I'll do it like that. Field binding on one, a little click from one right there. Click from three. Two didn't really give me much, but four give me a click there. And five give me a little click. Just gonna pulse the tension. Let's see what dropped down. I think 4 gave me a click there. Maybe the inner pin on 4. Pulsing the tension, and I felt a nice click from the inner pin on 1 there as I backed up. And a little click from the inner on 4, and I fell into a slight false set. 3 feels kind of tight here. Oh, it was the inner on 2 maybe that was holding me up. Feeling through those inner pins again, seeing if anyone will give up a little bit. I'm probably slightly overset, so I'm just going to pulse the tension lightly. Three felt okay, 4, 5, I'm just going through the pins one by one right now, seeing if anyone will give anything up a little bit. Pulsing the tension. It's so loose that nothing is dropping even with no tension, so just keep tickling those inner driver pins. And I fell into a deep false set there. And I just got to find the right one. And it's open there, I think on 5. Alright, now for the next part, which is gutting, which can be a little bit tricky. Have the key, so I'll lock it back up. Okay, get the C-clip off. There we go. That there. Now, try to get a shim inside. Just change the angle of the lock so that way I can get the key in. Okay, key is in. Now for the shim. I may have gotten it in just ever so slightly, and maybe that's all I need. Alright, I'll try to work with that. Get the follower in place. Push on the shim as I try to slide the follower through. Alright, I think I'm almost there. Oh, and the ball bearing fell out. I'll catch that in a second. It's a little stuck, so I'm just gonna try to jiggle it through. I think I'm stuck on the last driver pin. So I'll just take out the key pins for now. And hopefully I don't need to speed gut the rest of this. Okay. There's that ball bearing that fell out. Okay. First get these key pins out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's see if I can get this through. So I don't need to speed gut it, because I don't want to have to pull out the follower and then do it all from, make a big mess, but I might have to do that here, because it doesn't want to go through any further. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll actually just pull the follower out, and I'll have to, yeah, it's not going, oh, it went, yes, thank goodness. I was a little worried there for a second, but now we can gut it nicely. Alright. I'm going to get a good grip on these. Oh, that driver pin pop up. Oh, the shim is still holding it. May as well get the shim all the way out. There's also the anti-drill piece right there. I'll leave the springs there for now, and I'll take care of everything, make it look pretty once I once I can take the tape off my hands. There's 2 springs. The spring, 5 and 4. The spring there. Oh. Nice try little spring. Okay, now let's get a nice look at everything, and now that's all gutted, get this tape off my hands. Okay, so we have our plug here, make it look all nice and pretty, get the driver pins in place, or I mean the springs in place. And I will zoom in for you guys to get a nice close look. We have our just normal Bible here, just very small chambers for the driver pins, and the little slot for that anti-drill piece there, and all of our pins here. These short little driver pins with little rings on the back of them to catch into the springs have a torpedo pin in slot 5 and 1, and this cool little splitting key pin in slot 2. And if you guys aren't aware of how telescoping pins work, we have in each one of these pins we have a small inner pin that separates. So this one right here is unique because it actually splits the outer pins separately as well. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.